Can you show me in your Quran, where does your Allah say how many chapters make up your Quran?
It doesn't say anywhere.
What is the oldest source you have that tells you how many chapters make up your Quran and who decided? Abdullah ibn Masud said the Quran only has 110 surahs, whereas Ubay ibn Ka'b said there was 116. So who decided for you that your Quran consists of 114 chapters?
So it was the Prophet who
No, you didn't
decided
listen. Muhammad said, learn the Quran from four. One of whom is Abdullah ibn Masud, Ubay ibn Ka'b. They learned the Quran directly from Muhammad. They could not agree whether the Quran is under 10 surahs or under 16. If they learned from your Prophet, one man, why were they confused?
Because they, for example, the Surah 105 and 106, they have a similar theme, so they would put it together.
No, that's not true. Abdullah bin Masud rejected Surah Al-Fatiha and he rejected the last two chapters. He said these are prayers. They're not part of the Quran. Ubay bin Ka'b had two extra surahs. You're giving me misinformation. So I'm going to ask you the question again. Since Abdullah ibn Masud and Ubay bin Ka'b learned the Quran directly from one man, how come they couldn't agree?
I can't answer this question.
Now, that's why I like you. You're honest. I'll ask you a third question. Is Allah your father?
No.
Yet the disciples of Jesus himself, and the followers of Jesus' disciples say God is the Father. So right there, that means your God is not the true God. Secondly, can you say with Ignatius, Jesus is the God of me?
No, of course not.
So then you prove that Allah of the Quran is fake, your Quran is fake, and Muhammad is fake.
History is no friend to your position, my friend. It really is not. You should have really studied these issues before joining Islam. It doesn't go to a higher level than this.
I want you now to put yourself in the 600s. I'm a Christian, and your prophet comes to me and says, I confirm what you have in your hands. So as a Christian, what did I have in my hands at that time?
You probably had the New and Old Testament.
So that means I can judge you by Matthew, Mark,